Time to do a little edge retention testing. I got these two. I haven't put the final finish on them yet. I thought I would whittle some wood and cut some paper and see how long they hold an edge. Both of them are 1075 steel. This one is flat ground, so it has a little more meat. This one is hollow ground, so this is gonna be a little thinner. See which one holds up. You can see they're both sharp right now. So they're starting sharp. See how long it takes before they're not sharp anymore. 10. I'm doing 10, and then I'm cutting more paper. I don't see anything yet. Still cutting paper. Let's do 10 more. That might have been 11. I don't know. I still don't see anything. Hung up a little that time. Let's try another piece of paper. It may have been catching on that sharpening tool. Still cutting paper. Let's do 10 more. I'm not doing 10, I'm just doing a few. I lose count. Still cutting paper. It's not as sharp. We ain't got no edge deformation. I'm just gonna do it for a while. I ain't messing with a 10 no more. Dude, still pretty sharp. This is really thin magazine paper. It's kind of hard to cut. Fixing to cut my damn fingers what I'm fixing to do. I quit doing this because I sliced my arm open, but let's just see. Yeah, that dude's still shaving. There's a spot right there in the belly. I mean, it's still sharp. I bet you I can strop this dude right here. Yeah, there's a spot right there in the belly, but that's kind of where it's been taking the brunt of the carving. Yeah, dude, still sharp. See? That's why I quit doing this. That's why I quit shaving with it. Because it's so damn sharp. Cut you without even knowing it. Yeah, good enough for me. Now let's see what this other one's gonna do. Like I said, this one's hologram. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's a whole lot thinner. A hologrind, you can kind of see it. A hologrind, this here is full thickness. And then right here where you see the bevel, it goes from full thickness and then it caves in and then goes to a point. Flat grind, you can kind of see that. Flat grind goes from full thickness and it's like a V all the way down to the point. So there's more mass behind this one. This one's thinner. These generally slice better because you don't have as much resistance, but you lose some of your toughness because you don't have as much meat backing up that edge. So what you'll do, same two before, let's turn it around. I'll do a couple 10 on this one and see. Do a couple 10s and see if it's still. I feel like them old guys used to sit in rocking chairs at the old flea market in Corinth. Y'all see the pile of whittling I've got right here. Wasn't it the flea market in the mall at Corinth? The old guys used to sit there and whittle all the time. Had a big damn pile of shavings under them. All right, I don't see nothing, so it looks good. Clean up a little bit. Still cutting paper. I'm not putting it on my arm, it's too sharp. I'll cut a hunk on myself. That hung up on the truck. It's starting to dull a little bit, but it's still pretty sharp. I'll do this again. Maybe I'll end up in the emergency room again. Still shaving. I think something else I can do. I'm not turning this off because I don't want y'all to think I sharpened them, but I'm going to get some cardboard. Let's cut that. Cardboard's pretty rough on the edge. Chandler's finna have a mess to clean up. See if she still got like. I bet it will. It's starting to dull a little bit. But I bet you it's still pretty sharp. It's still plenty sharp to cut anything you want to cut. Bet you about 4 swipes on that strop and it'll be right back. Let's take this one. This dude right here will cut. Fixing to cut my finger. Oh, look at a big piece. Back to the bloody arm. Let me see. I can find some hair. Here we go. Yep. Bigger. Alright, I want y'all to look. That is what I just did. And they're still popping hair. Not as sharp, but they're still sharp. Good enough for me.